Hey guys, Hackerzilla is back again with another video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install all tools for Termux in one click with the help of Toolex. So without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your Termux and type the following command to update your Termux repositories. After typing command, hit enter and wait for the process to be finished. If the following pop-up will appear, then simply type N and hit enter. The Termux repository has been updated. Now we need to install the Git by typing the following command. After typing the following command, hit enter and wait for the process to be finished. Hence the Git command has been installed successfully. Now we have to clone Toolex into Termux by typing the following command. After typing the command, hit enter and wait for cloning to be finished. Hence Toolex has been cloned into Termux. Now type the following command to go into the Toolex directory. Now we need to give permission to read, write, and execute to install.aex file by typing the following command. Now run the install.aex file by typing the following command. This command will install 2x in your Termux. The installation process may take up to 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your internet connection. If the following pop-up will appear, then simply type Y and then hit enter. The Toolex has been successfully installed in your Termux. Now simply type exit to exit the installer. Now simply type Toolex to open the tool. As you can see, following menu is appeared. Here you can type 1 to show all available tools, type 2 to see the tools category, type 3 to update the Toolex, type 4 to know about the creator of the tool, and type X to exit the tool. Now let's see how to install any tool for Termux with the help of Toolex in one click. Simply type 1 and hit enter. From here you can install any tool you want. For example, I will install wget tool. The wget tool is present on 351 number. So I will type 351 to install the wget tool in the Termux. As you can see, the wget tool is installed successfully. You can install any tool that you want by just typing the number of the tool. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.